Hello to all future parents, young parents, and early childhood professionals. I am Fabian Riot, a psychomotor therapist, and I am happy to be with you today for these few small tips to give your newborn a secure position in carrying. In my last video, I suggested hand positions to give your child security in a secure carrying method with one hand under the head and one hand under the buttocks. Today, I'm going to share with you the posture to adopt when your child is in their bassinet and you wish to pick them up in your arms, or when they are on the changing table. So, we find ourselves in the situation where your little one is awake in their bassinet, and so we're going to pick them up, take them in our arms. So we start by opening the sleep sack, moving the arms to reassure them, so don't hesitate to talk to them. I'm going to place my hand under the head and place my hand under the pelvis and bring them towards me. To do this posture, I slightly bend down so that the time they spend in the air is not too long. So, I bring them close to me and then press them against me. You may have noticed that when you hold your child this way with their hands near their mouth, they tend to pull their head back. At this moment, your child is making an extension movement with their head. These are the beginnings of head holding, which is important. It's important for the child to explore these head holding experiments, and these experiments, well, I suggest incorporating them when you change your child. This will be for the next